Have you ever had this happen to you when the handle has come off and doesn't stay on? So then you, in this case, you're not using hot water on the sink anymore. Everything else works, of course, but here you don't know what to do, and maybe you tried hot glue it in place. I did that, does not work, and all sorts of different things. It's actually quite a simple process. Let's see if I can walk you through it. So first of all, this part here, the metal part here, actually comes off. So this will come off. That's how it looks inside. This is, by the way, I'm not sure if you can see it, Moen faucet. So this goes here, this goes here. That's how it looks like. And so this is what it looks like in here. So the process is actually quite simple. I'm gonna just go like this. So you don't have to take anything off. Right there. And then on the other side, this might be fun. The screw goes right there. Okay, so that's there. So you simply put this here together, turn it upside down, and with a screwdriver, you tighten this screw to the handle. And you don't bother tightening it too much, because you need to, so now it's already all one piece. But for now you need to adjust it, so then it actually closes in the right position, and that's trial and error. In this case, it's not too bad, so I'm tightening it back in. And if the position is right, that was just plain luck, to be honest with you. We can adjust that by loosening it and adjusting it until you have the right spot. It's slightly a bit off. You notice how it's going a bit more. This one is straight. This one is a bit more this way, but it's actually quite good for now. I will adjust it later, but I do that. So there you go. All working again. Perfect. I hope that this video helped out.